In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. Now if you log into the PlayStation 5, you'll also need a PSN account, so account that is connected to the PlayStation network and then have access to the internet. So if you're connected to those two things, so what you're going to do is to scroll on over the navigation bar to the PlayStation Store, then click on the PlayStation, and then here you can navigate to the various different games you might want to download. But if you were going directly to Fortnite, then we're going to do the top navigation where it says latest, and then going to scroll over to the search bar, this magnifying glass icon, select it, and then click into the search for games, and then we're going to type in Fortnite, and then once you type in Fortnite, then you go ahead and press R2 or go down and press done, and then it will search for Fortnite and it will show you the Fortnite games download. So you here can select this Fortnite game, and then if you have the option to stream, you can stream it. Otherwise you can click download, but you'll also want to pay attention to there's the original Fortnite game, or there's a Fortnite Battle Royale version. You're almost likely going to do the Battle Royale version, so don't forget to select that. And then you can go ahead and click confirm purchase, which free to play, and then you can go ahead and download onto your PlayStation 5. So that is how you can download Fortnite on your PlayStation 5 and then log in into your Fortnite account, begin playing. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for